Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to focus on how to factorize completely. Many people waste time in an exam because they don't know how to go about these kind of questions. So please follow me until the end of this video. So what exactly do you do when you are taught to factorize? What what exactly are you supposed to do? So this is a grade 12 work. Um, It's a grade 12 work which came on should be 2025, 2025 paper 1 mathematics. So if you are writing GC this year, please follow me on my TikTok where I do teach these videos, and I also have a YouTube channel where I post the complete videos. So make sure you like my video, you subscribe to my channel, and each time I post a video, you'll be able to be notified as you turn on the notification bell. So this is very important for you guys. This is something that you don't want to miss because I explain all the topics in details to make sure that you understand this material. So please don't forget to share this. Okay, so when you are taught to factorize, what are some of the things you are supposed to do? Okay, here's the question, and you are told to factorize completely. So you don't have to waste time on some of these questions. You really don't have to waste time. It's a simple question and you can solve it within 2 minutes. You are done. So please, I do also offer free online lessons. Not really free, okay, but it's a 1 month free lessons which I'm offering. So if you are interested, you can inbox me or you can leave a comment either on TikTok or on YouTube or whichever platform you are watching me from. So if you're using YouTube, just leave a comment there. If you're using TikTok, you can also leave a comment. I'll be able to see it and follow you. I'll follow you back. So let's proceed. So here's the question you are in which you are taught to factorize completely. We have a question 3a minus c minus 3ab plus c bc. So we want to factorize completely. What exactly are you supposed to do when you're taught to factorize? The first step first, you need to collect the like terms. Okay, I'll write here. Like terms first. Okay, and the second thing you want to do is to factor out what is common. And lastly, you want to present your answer in order. Okay, rewrite. So this is very important, guys. So make sure you follow this order when you are asked to factorize. So let's go back to our question now. So following this guide, okay, following this. So like the first terms, collect the like terms first. So this is what you're going to do. As you can see here, we have 3a, okay? So 3a, we have another 3ab here. So we can put that together. So you can say minus 3ab. And then you go back to this one. You go back to this one where you say minus c, and then this one plus bc. We have collected the like terms there. I hope I haven't left out anything. So we have collected the like terms. So after collecting the like terms, now you want to fact out. You want to come here. We want to fact out what is common. So when you go back to our question, what we last solved here, what is common? Okay, so you can see that A from this side, and also we have A from this side. So this is common. We also have 3, which is common, and we also have 3 this side, which is common. So what do we want to do? We want to split those which are common from outside brackets. So what you do is this. So since 3 is common and A is common, write them outside and then split them by brackets. So what is remaining here is 1. So the idea of doing this is that when we multiply what is common with what is inside, we get back the original answer. And that is the idea you need to understand. So notice that if you multiply this 3a outside, okay, if you multiply it by 1, we are going to get the original answer, which is the 3a. So this is what you want to do even for this part here. We want a number which we can multiply by 3a outside to get back to this. Okay, so let's find that number. So this is a minus symbol here. So 3a is already there. If we put 3a here and multiply this, we are going to have a different number here, and that's what we don't want. So notice that what is not common from both sides is b. So what if we put b there? So that when you multiply this 3a multiply by this 1, we will get 3a. And if we use this 3a multiply by this b, we will get 3ab because we already have this outside. I hope you get the idea. So let's continue. So this makes sense. 3a multiplied by 1, you get 3a. And this 3a multiplied by b, you get 3ab. So this is the concept that you don't want to forget. So this is very, very important. And that's the idea. Okay, the concept is that what you present here when you multiply with what is in the brackets must bring back the original, or the original form. So if you multiply this by this, you get back to this. If you multiply this by a negative b, you get back this. And that's what we want. So you do the same from the other side. So from here, what can we factor out? What is common here? So you see that what is common from this side, it's this and a c there. So we can put minus c outside. So we'll say minus c outside. And then if we split this with brackets, we will remain with nothing there. So we can put 1. Okay, so that when we multiply negative c multiplied by 1, we get a negative c. So now what sign should we put here? So here you need to take note of the signs. Signs can multiply. So a negative multiplied by positive, it's a negative. Okay, it's a negative. So negative c multiplied by positive bc. Remember that you already have c as common, so we'll just put a b there. So that when you multiply negative c by b, you get a positive c. So negative multiplied by positive is a negative. So remember that when you multiply these signs, they are also going to bring us back this positive answer, because negative multiplied by negative, it will give us a plus answer. And that's the idea. So what you get from the left, what you get from here, and what you get from the right side must equal in the brackets. And that's the idea. So after having done that, you have completed this part here. Fact out what is common. And this is what you have done. Now, the last thing you want to do is to rewrite the equation. You want to do this part here. You want to do this. So the last thing you want to do is to rewrite the equation in order. And how do you do that? So you want to correct this part which is outside and this part is outside. And the ones in the brackets, since they are equal, you only get one, and then you are done. So we want to get 3a outside, this one, and the minus c outside. Okay, and then on the last brackets you can get either this one, you can get any, either this one, okay, or this one, any of those, because they are equal, and then you are done. And that's how you go about factorizing any question in an exam. So I'll say 1 minus b. So this is your final answer. You don't even waste time. This is your final answer. So make sure you follow this procedure to answer every question that you might be given in paper 1, and you won't even waste time. You will notice that as you observe or follow this procedure, this will help you to identify your mistakes and also be able to track where you have ended. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please support my channel, like this channel, and also subscribe if possible. If you are watching from YouTube, make sure you turn on the notification bell, because I'll be posting these videos more often. I do attend to your comments. So if you have a comment, leave a comment on the notification or on the comment section. I'll look at it and be able to answer. And you can also ask me questions there. If you have any mathematics questions or chemistry questions, physics questions, or biology questions, I'll be able to assist you with that. Please, let's support each other. Thank you very much.